Puppy, go get it. Go get it, boy. Go get it. Get it. Shippers, you like the movie? Ship, ship. He won't look away.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! What, baby girl? What? What?
Should we wake up? Should we wake up? Good morning. You're so pretty. Good morning.
Oh, buddy, don't stick your whole face in.
Come on. Come on.
Hannah, what are you doing on the bed? Huh? Yeah. Are you smiling?
So funny.
Nuovo autista alla guida.
She actually might be enjoying it.
他那个表情。伸过去，再伸过去一点。对呀。
Why do you have to be near the tomato plants? No. Back the other way. You're allowed to go into her garden. You're allowed to chew.
好玩啊！
Come here. Jump, jump, jump. Good boy.
Ready? Ta-da!
Do you want it? You're the girl. Yes, you want it. Good. Oh, yeah.
Ernie in the sink! Ernie in the sink! Ernie is in the sink!
He's going to sleep.
We gotta show everybody how good you are. How good? How good are you? Oh, that's really good. Good girl. Good job. Put in how good are you? You? Oh.
Yuki, are you swimming? Are you swimming? Who's swimming?
They're eating their own food.
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Yeah, okay.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You can't take that bit. Gonna eat the green bit. Hello, my handsome friend. You like the song? Oh, yeah. It's so nice. I got on her nose. Is that yummy ice cream, Zizi? Her tongue's like all over the place. Enjoying the beautiful day.
We love the kitty. I just don't know if she likes you.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. No, Licky Bobo. Come here. Come here. Good morning. Good morning. Who's got the white leg? Whee! Good boy, Gucci. Hold on.
Yeah.
Got a video?
Come on, Dexter. Come this way. No, we're going this way. No, this way.
Sim, sim. Good boy. Good boy. You like that? You like massages?
Who's that, Leggy? You give him a kiss?
Go say hi. Go say hi.
Who's that?
Good job. Good job. Shake a booty. Shake a booty. Good job. Good job.
哈哈，下一个。
Come on, Dexter. Come this way. No? We're going this way. No, this way. Jaden peed him. I'm so mad. Jaden peed him.
The slowest swim ever. Okay.
Look at you. Oh, look at you, how cute you are. You keep losing the ball.
Oh, hi there, friend. It's me, your human. I'll take care of yous, cause you're a little baby. Let me give you your boobs. Boop. That's right. Boop.
Hello. He's a little cutie.
Ừ. 这么远你也敢蹦？
Leo, come here. Come here. Good boy.
Francis. Good boy. You look at your little tail. You little bunny.
Nobody goes. So good. Yeah, so good.
Jack, do you hate your haircut? Do you hate it? Yeah.
Got it, yeah. Soapy doggy. Let me see that pretty face. Oh, you're so pretty.
You were making the biggest mess of your life.
Should we wake up? Should we wake up? He's so cute.
Yeah, she is. She's flicking her feet. Are you swimming? Clever girl. Clever.
哎呀妈逼的，细的啊！
See? Water's not so scary, huh? Just go whoop. Good job. Good job. Good fight. Good fight.
He's going to sleep.
It's gonna come over to me. Don't do that. No. You gotta feed those babies, Georgia. Good girl. Good girl.
Jasper, what are you doing? What are you liking? Higley! Hey, bud.
Luna, come! Good girl! Where'd it go? You don't like the water? Did you like the seat?
digging. Why? Make a hole. A hole for what? More digging.
Good balance, Tell.
Reggie, don't eat him.
Hi guys. Are you using Willow as a pillow? You're using Willow pillow? That's your sister, guys.
No, this way. Let's go this way. Let's go this way.
Good girl. What is that? What is that? You like watermelon?
See? Good boy. Good boy. Hey, hey, hey. Good boy.
Hello, Kuromi-san. Hello. You ready to go home? I think so. Oh.
Lucky. Hello. Hello.
What is this? Sit. Good boy. Good boys. Good boy. Boom. Good boy.
What are you doing? Oh, get busy. Good boy. Yeah, same. Same.
Are you ready for the thunderstorm?
Oh my god!
He's so calm.
Holy god!
Look how calm.
Oh my
She's
god! Oh, Shaggy!
That is a kid.
Oh, come here, Cooper. Good boy, Cooper.
What are you doing? You can't do that. You're gonna get hurt. No.
Baby, feel good.
Is that your first bath, little buddy?
He's liking it. Now it's getting cold.
Excuse me. Maddie, come.
Is that nice, Winston?
We should have got
Na 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 na. La vaca Lola, tiene cabeza y tiene cola. Yeah.
Hey, Grizz, were you taking a nap? Huh?
Oh wow! It's Dumpy ice cream! I think he's just like, give me the whole scoop. And then
be prepared for lots more puppy content. This is what they do all day right now, is they either sleep or they eat. And Mama Goldie...
he does love it.
You don't want it? Hey, Biff, I have a surprise for you.
Ricky, you messy boy.
Minnie, are you enjoying yourself?
Oh, goodness. Hi, Beaks. Hi. Oh, hi, Beaks. Oh,
Are you supposed to be on the bed? You are? Do you have a permission slip?
Quieta.
Stay.
Happy birthday to you. That's so funny.
Mom, my belly is rumbling. I hunger, Mother. I hunger.
Good girl. You're so good. So good. So good.
Surf, surf. Good boys. Ride the waves, Owen. Ride them. Ride. Patient.
Go, Benny. Go get it. Good boys. Good job.
Na 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 na. Yay!
What are you doing? You need a chill pill.
No, 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 no. No.
3-way tug of war. It really looks like Nacho against the sailor and Odie.
What was God thinking when he made you so damn thick, so damn scrumdiddlyumptious, huh? What was he thinking when he said, look at this one?